this clear. Cause I had no idea. I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty. Yeah, I need all. I feel like I did too much.
Hey guys, so we're going to start off by moisturizing the face. Now usually at this point you use your primer. I don't have any at the moment, so I'm going to make sure that my skin is at the very least moisturized. To do my brows, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. Using short strokes, I'm going to begin outlining my brow to get the shape I want and then filling in the brow. And using my finger, I just blend out the front parts. To define my brow, I use LA Colors Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and starting at the bottom of the brow, I'm going to clean up any imperfections. Also using my finger to blend out harsh lines. I also clean up the top as well to create a clean and sharp look. Okay, brows are done, period. Next, we're going to do our eyes before our foundation. So taking that same Pro Concealer, I'm applying that on my lid and blending it out to create a blank canvas to lay down our eyeshadows. Using one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes ever, I'm going to take the brown shade and then mix it with the purple shade and blend that in my crease ever so lightly. Did you know the lower you hold your brush, the lighter the blend? Try it. I just found out about it on Instagram and it's pretty legit. Taking that Pro Concealer yet again, I'm carving out my lid shape. I'm not really used to doing this sort of look. This is kind of difficult, as you can see. I'm kind of struggling, but I have pretty normal sized lids, and the trick is to keep a steady hand and carve it a little above your actual eyelid crease. That way the colors don't mesh together. So now it's time to lay down these pretty bright colors. I'm using the warm colors of the palette, starting with yellow in the tear duct, then yellow and red in the center, and then the purple and brown mix on the outer third. And I noticed the shadow look didn't have enough depth for me, so taking the black shade and a precise detail brush, I start carving the crease again, adding black in the crease and towards the outer third of the lid. Great, one eye done. Let's copy and paste it on the other eye. Boop. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the color 360 Mocha and applying that all over my face and neck. Make sure you blend your foundation very well to give it an almost airbrush finish. Using the same concealer I used earlier, I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes, bridge of the nose, center of the forehead, and center of the chin, and blend that out all using my Beauty Blender sponge. Also, I'll be contouring my face with one of e.l.f.'s sculpting brushes in a deep brown shade from the It's My Ray Ray palette. Okay, so far so good. Since I'm also lacking a decent liquid eyeliner, I'll be improvising and taking the black we used in the crease with an angled brush and creating a winged eye look. And then after this, I'll be adding lashes. Time for the lips. Take your favorite lip liner. I'm using Kiss Professional in the color Burgundy and line your lips. Then take your favorite gloss. I'm using LA Colors Watermelon Splash Gloss and apply that all over for some juicy, plump lips. Put on a cute outfit, do your hair, and you are done. The look is complete. I hope I inspired you to play in some makeup today. This might not be perfect, but I really love how the colors turned out. I might do a cool version of this next time. What do you think? Leave a comment down below, like this video if you liked it, and hey, think about subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.